illegally incarcerated former Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan has said General Asim Munir, the de facto ruler of the country, should apologize to him. The statement comes after a regime-allied journalist who met with the general conveyed that Imran Khan could be freed if he tenders an apology. Besides the journalist, military government ministers and the army spokesperson have directly and indirectly sent messages to Imran Khan for a political settlement. In a statement, Mr. Khan said, quote, Asim Munir has an immense hunger for power, which is why he has established the worst form of dictatorship. Instead of demanding that I apologize, Asim Munir should apologize to me, end quote. Mr. Khan, his wife, his sisters, and his nephews, besides thousands of the party workers, have all been jailed on the orders of General Munir since he has become the army chief. In political repression, analysts have described as unprecedented. Mr. Khan's message today was conveyed by his sister Alima Khan, who was allowed into Adiala jail to meet him after 4 months. Imran Khan is being kept in a 22-hour lockdown solitary confinement inside the maximum security Adiala jail, where he's been kept for 2 years now. Despite his conditions, Mr. Khan said he would not budge from his stance. Quote, no matter how much pressure you put on me, even if you imprison everyone from my family, I will neither bow down nor accept this oppression, end quote. The former Prime Minister of Pakistan, Imran Khan, has made a shocking revelation from his jail cell about the treatment of his wife, Bushra Bibi. Mr. Khan said, quote, Bushra Bibi is kept in solitary confinement under deplorable conditions where she has suffered electric shocks and physical wounds. She is provided polluted water to use. Every form of cruelty is being inflicted upon her, end quote. While the treatment of his wife had been widely reported, it is for the first time electric shocks and physical wounds have been revealed. Last year, Bushra Bibi's food was laced with chemicals causing prolonged illness along with being denied medical care. Imran Khan also revealed in his message that his wife was pressured to separate from him. Quote, Faisal Wavda, who acts as a mouthpiece of the establishment, issued statements that Bushra Bibi would seek separation from me. She was pressured to do so, but she stood firmly by my side. Previously, when Asim Munir was removed from the post of DG ISI, he attempted to contact Bushra Bibi through Zulfi Bukhari, but she refused. That is why she's being subjected to such cruel treatment today, end quote. Mr. Khan's wife, Bushra Bibi, has now been in regime custody for a total of 488 days. Consistent with his decades-long stance, former Prime Minister Imran Khan has slammed the military government of General Asim Munir for launching military operations in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. General Munir's government has deployed the army into areas bordering Afghanistan along with the use of drones, operations that have already caused mass displacements and civilian casualties. In a message posted to his Twitter account after a meeting with his family members and legal team, Khan declared, quote, military operations are not the solution for Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and the tribal areas. The issues should be resolved through dialogue with the help of local representatives. Drone strikes and military operations only increase terrorism. These operations neither have the support of the people, nor of local representatives, nor of the political parties. How can such operations ever succeed? End quote. Khan called on his party's provincial government, which rules Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, to take a strong stance against the military action. He also condemned the Munir government's treatment of Afghan refugees, hundreds of thousands of whom, despite having lived in Pakistan for decades, are being expelled arbitrarily. Mr. Khan said the humiliating manner in which Afghans were forced out is both a violation of Islamic tradition and an affront to humanity.